Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a usable audio clip and the smallest useful context. Record or export 10 to 30 seconds of the song. Shorter clips can work, but clarity matters. While recording, write any lyrics you hear, the scene or timestamp, and any obvious instruments. Once done, make sure your device is connected to the internet and the clip is accessible from your phone or computer. This saves time because identification tools perform best with clean audio and contextual clues. You now run multiple identification methods in parallel. Use Shazam or SoundHound for instant matching. If those fail, upload the clip to a web audio search or use a music ID site. Meanwhile, search any clear lyric phrase in quotes on search engines and check streaming service playlists from the source context. If automated tools give no result, post a short clip and context to a community forum or subreddit. Include timestamps and instrument notes. Cross-check any suggested titles immediately using a second app. You finish by confirming the candidate track against your clip and context. Play the full song, compare lyrics and arrangement, and inspect file metadata to confirm artist and release. If the match seems wrong, clean the audio with EQ to reduce noise, try a different 10-30-second excerpt, or slow down/speed up the clip before retrying. As a troubleshooting tip, hum or sing the melody into a recognition app. Sometimes melody-based matching finds covers or instrumental versions when direct audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.